right. So go ahead and get our key fob programmed. This procedure does work for 2000 to 2006 year models, and I believe the '07 Classics have the same key fob programming. So we'll show you how to program that. This will work for any 2000 to, I believe, 6 GMC Yukon or Yukon XL. It also works for the Chevy pickups, Chevy Suburbans, 2006, and I believe the '07 Classic. First thing we'll do is we'll put the key in the ignition. Second step, you'll want to press and hold down on your unlock button, and you'll cycle the key on and off 2 times really fast. So on, off, the beep indicates that we are now in programming mode. So you can go ahead and remove your key, and you'll want to press and hold your lock and unlock buttons at the same time until the lock cycle. Beautiful, you heard the lock cycle, and we are now programmed. So I hit the button. Oh, take it out of programming mode. So you turn the key on, turn the key back off. We are now out of programming mode, and key fob is now working. They're locking and unlocking. Beautiful. Key fob is all programmed. She is working. We'll hit the lock button, and we'll unlock, and she's all programmed. Ooh, let's try the alarm works. Beautiful. BoostAuto.com. Go check them out. Link will be in the description. They also are all over social media.